So to me, putting this for peer review is a way to get comments from people that are not familiar with my research, to make sure that what I was doing is correct and it's valuable for somebody else. Because I can see the value of what I do, but it doesn't mean it's good for everybody else.
We always knew what we kind of had to do on the back end, but kind of seeing that feedback and then understanding that, okay, we actually do need to discuss this in further detail. So we ended up adding a couple of paragraphs to the peer-reviewed article. And then for the protocol, we added a couple steps, just kind of clarifying things, saying you need to use this type of water, these exact measurements and kind of depth of things to make sure that the seeds stay, they don't get desiccated throughout the process. So that really helped kind of improve the overall protocol and peer-reviewed article as a whole, I think.
I think that having somebody else reading the protocol and saying, this part is not clear, can you please rephrase how you did it, really helped. And it also helped with, they really gave us ideas for like how to improve this in the future.
We really like the peer review process at our laboratory, mainly because it gives us feedback on things that we might not have initially thought of when we're writing something up.
I found that the peer review method would have been the perfect case study to really test any possible negative aspects of the protocol. And I really wanted it to just be the best it could be, because protocols and methods are meant to be as reproducible as possible, if not perfect, so to speak. So that was the big part that made me want to do it, just to test the protocol. And if at the time I thought if it does achieve the point of publication, which I wasn't sure at the start, it would have given me even more sort of happiness and pride towards the method itself.